Hello everyone. What we would be doing in this video is that we would be learning how to send bulk email campaigns. For that purpose, we would be going onto the Wix dashboard. Along with that, I'll be opening up the website of my company, that is ProRecruit, in order to copy paste the content that I need. Okay, so this is the dashboard which would appear in front of you. Scroll down, you would see the marketing tab. Click on email marketing. You can click on to more templates in order to see which template do you like or which template suits the best. You can also ask the AI to choose the template for you. Otherwise, we can use this template. Okay, so this is the email template that is appearing in front of you. You people would have gotten various emails from Foodpanda or Daraz. This is the kind of software or tool that they use. There are several tools, out of which I have been using Wix for the past around 4 years. So there is the text option, there is the image option. You can add the button, you can add the divider. Along with that, you can add the logo, you can create links, and you can also add the social links. So I would be changing this to the slogan of my company: global reach, local excellence. I'll click the found out more button. So here a dialog box would open. Over here, what I have to do is I have to add my website so that any person who can click on this find out more link can redirect to my website. I would be deleting this divider. I would be changing the image and I would be putting a logo instead. Okay, so this is the logo. I'll be clicking on to add to page. Over here, I'll be writing to know more book a meeting with us. For that purpose, I'll be going onto the website. I'll be clicking on to book now. This would be giving us the link for the booking meeting, so which I have already created. Now I'll be clicking check it out. I'll be pasting the URL in the URL section and I'll be changing this check it out to book now. Along with that, I can add the website over here as well. Okay, so the address of my company has already been added. Along with that, the number is accurate. I can add the Facebook link through my website, and now I'll be putting in the Instagram as well. So what I've added over here is my Instagram and Facebook account. Along with that, now I'll be adding the LinkedIn. So once this is done and you are ready with your template and you think that no more alterations are needed, you can preview and test that how it looks. There would be two versions. One is the mobile version and the second is the laptop version. If it looks fine, you'll click on to send test email. So you can put in the email that is s.k.shirazi. This is my personal email. Now this is the subject. The subject should always be catchy. Looking to hire a VA. I would be adding my name over here. I'll be adding another email over here so that if somebody replies to the email, I can get it onto this email, and then I'll be pressing send.